Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Christmas bows for my Christmas tree. You guys are going to learn how to do this and you are going to ask yourself why you have never ever done this in the past. So I am using 3 different ribbons and they are about 3 inches wide and I just have coordinating colors. One of my ribbons is a little bit thinner, but that's okay. So I have 2 that are red and white and 1 that is teal, and so I'm sandwiching that one in between the 2 red and white. I think it just looked better versus having the 2 white ones together. These are cut at about 14 to 16 inches. I do have a 9-foot tree, and so we actually used 14 of these loopy bows and then 7 of the messy bows that I'm going to show you after this. Once you have your ribbon cut to size, you are actually going to fold it down and you're going to want to go a little bit past the halfway mark. So you're going to make 1 loop just like this. And then we're going to take pipe cleaners, scrunch it together, and then twist it up. And this is what's going to create the loop in our loopy bows. Now we're going to separate it all and fluff it up some. You do have hanging leftover pipe cleaner, but you are actually going to use that to adhere it to the tree. So I am pulling the red to one side, leaving the teal in the middle, and pulling the other red to the other side. When you do the tails, I want them to be opposite. So on this one, the red peppermint stripe was on one side, so the tail is actually going to be on the other side at the bottom. Once you are comfortable with how it looks, you're going to use the pipe cleaner to adhere it to the tree. You can still fluff it up once it gets on the tree as well to fill in the space a little bit more. I did put my ribbons on before I put any decorations on. So that's just my personal style. You can definitely put the ornaments on and then fill in with the bows. Now I'm going to show you the messy bow. You're going to take the same 3 ribbons and you're going to cut them down to about 7 inches. And we're going to crisscross them just like this. And we're also going to take a pipe cleaner again and we're going to put it around the middle and scrunch it all together so it's one. Now you can fluff it up. I did cut straight edges on these, but you could definitely dovetail them to where there is an angle. And again, you're going to use the leftover pipe cleaner and adhere it to the tree. I did use a half a piece of pipe cleaner for each one. So 1 pipe cleaner will actually do 2 bows. If you need a longer pipe cleaner, then you can definitely just use 1. Ladies, these bows are so easy to make and they truly make such a transformation on your Christmas tree. I really don't know how I have not done this before this year. I love the colors, which I changed in my home this year, and this is absolutely the tree of my little girl dreams. I love it. I hope you give these bows a try so you can truly see how easy it is to create an absolutely stunning Christmas tree that you are just super happy about and you just enjoy looking at every night with the twinkle of the lights. If you try them, send me a message. Let me know how it looks. Send me a picture. I would love to see them. If you love this DIY and all things home creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org. Thank you so much for watching today.